Yes, nice to see you guys here. Thank you for being here. Now, dear Daisy, Alicia, Vanessa, let's go, guys. Everybody together. Let me show you the. Although I do not need this lens. Yes, I have it here. Perfect. Let's see if I can maybe redo this. Yeah, I don't know why this is so wide. I didn't ask for a wide lens. Okay. Now it's fine. Let's do this. I hope it works. It did. Well, thank gosh. Let's go, guys. Hi, Daisy. How are you? Good to see you. Okay. Let's go. What I want to explain to you today is how to compare things in English. Very fast, very simple, very easy. Oops, too big. Like this, comparative, guys. But we are going to focus on the comparative of superiority. The easy one, right? The comparative of superiority is very simple, maybe the simplest or the most simple one for us to understand, okay? Comparative of superiority. Now let's think about these two little guys here. There's this guy here and there's this guy here. By looking at them, we can see a very interesting thing. What is it? It is that this guy here, he is taller than this little guy over here, right? So to start teaching you this lesson, I'm going to use the adjective tall. That's the adjective I'm going to use today, tall. Because the adjective tall has only one syllable, guys, this is the sentence I'm going to write. Pay attention. Let's imagine that this guy's name is Bob and this person's name here is Sid. Okay, the sentence would be something like this. Bob, okay, is taller than Sid. Bob is taller than Sid. Isn't that right? Yes, it is. Look, Bob is taller than Sid. Now, if I want to use an adjective here to describe Sid, it would probably be short. Short has also one syllable, right? Oops, one syllable. So in this case, I would have to invert the names here, right? I would have to say something like Sid is shorter. Look at this. Shorter than, oh, I switched colors. That's fine. Then Bob. Okay, Bob's taller. Sid is shorter. That's our situation here today. Now, something important here that I want to call your attention to is that when I have a short adjective, I need to use the ER at the end of this adjective, okay? So I use the adjective short, and then I use ER. Look at this, tall, and then I use the ER too. All right? This is something very important. Remember this. Now, if I want to use longer adjectives, then I will have a different structure to follow, guys. Pay attention. Let's say that I want to use the adjective, you know what? Let's get this and maybe go to another place here. copy here, paste. Yes. So I want to use two adjectives that they have more than one syllables. Okay, more than one. Let's take a look. I'm going to use the adjective handsome. Look at this, handsome. Handsome has two syllables. Handsome. Two syllables here. So in this case, guys, this is what I'm going to do. Look at this. Sid is more handsome than Bob. Okay? Imagine that Sid is more handsome, okay? Help me with your imagination. This guy here is more handsome than this guy. Now, there is something important here. Look, for short adjectives, I'm going to use ER, right? For long adjectives, two syllables or more, I'm going to use the word more before the adjective, okay? So if I get another long word here, for example, intelligent, right? I want to say that Bob is more intelligent. So this is what I'm going to say. Bob is more intelligent than Sid. Right? Yes, Edward. Exactly. More intelligent than. Why? Because intelligent is not a short adjective. I have intelligent. 4 syllables here. So that's why I use the word more before the adjective. Okay? So remember, short adjectives use ER at the end of the verb. Long adjectives use more before the verb. If you remember these rules, the comparative of superiority will be easier for you. So what about quick? Quick would go to this category here, okay? It's one syllable. If it's one syllable, you have to say quicker. ER to the end, okay? Quicker. Like taller, like shorter. All right, my friends. Amazing. Good class. Thank you so much. Let me show you my face. Hi, what's up, guys? Thank you so much for being here today. I hope to see you guys soon. This was Marcelo. I'll see you guys maybe another time. Bye.